from the company Maylaywood is the E26 E9 9-watt 65-watt equivalent LED frosted bulb. We're going to show you what you get in the box, how to set up in some of the situations of the product. 9-watt A9 light bulb, frosted color. We're going to show you what it looks like inside the box. An instruction guide, the dimmable 9-watt A19 LED bulbs. There are 4. The E26 socket. They're made of plastic. They're protected with a circle. They're lightweight. With the humidity temperature of 10 to 90%, with the temperature of 4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit of operation. The CR85 bulb from lumens of 100 LM efficiency and 950 lumens of lamp flux, with a lifespan of 25,000 hours. We're going to show you the light bulb hooked up into a dimmable product, as well as ceiling fan and others. Smaller bulb than an average bulb, they simply go into your ceiling fan or any E26 socket that requires a bulb, dimmable and non-dimmable, the equivalent to a 65-watt bulb. Cool to warm, these are 5,000 Kelvin. They could be put into just about anything imaginable. Placing in the light bulb to a lamp. Put the cover on to show you how nicely displayed it is. And we could dim down into different increments. Down to 10%, all the way up to 100%. 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. The LED bulbs, they're cool to the touch, easy to replace existing bulbs, and more. The Maylaywood LED bulb for your needs. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in dimmable, frostable LED bulbs. Thank you for viewing.